everyone. My name is Puneet, and the subject is Introduction to Civil Engineering. The subject code is BESCK204A. I am from section HR. USN is 1V23 IS 039, and the topic which I am going to discuss about today is sound control and temperature control in buildings. So, optimizing building environment, a comprehensive guide to sound and temperature control. Understanding sound control. Achieving optimal sound control involves a combination of architectural design, acoustic materials, and strategic placements for sound absorbing elements. Effective sound control enhances productivity and reduces stress in building occupants. Temperature control techniques. Effective temperature control encompasses proper insulation, efficient HVAC systems, and smart building designed to maintain a comfortable indoor climate. Optimal temperature control is vital for occupant comfort and energy efficiency. Benefits of optimized building environment. An optimized building environment with superior sound control and temperature regulation fosters improved occupant well-being, increased productivity, and reduced energy cost. Investing in building environment optimization yields long-term benefits for occupants and stakeholders. So, energy efficient temperature solutions. Utilizing energy efficient HVAC systems, smart thermostats, and passive cooling techniques are essential for maintaining optimal temperature control while minimizing energy consumption. Sustainable temperature solutions contribute to environmental conservation and cost living. Maintenance and monitoring. Regular maintenance of soundproofing materials, HVAC systems, and buildings insulation is essential for sustaining sound control and temperature regulation effectiveness. Continuous monitoring ensures optimal building environment performance. Building sound and temperature. Achieving harmonious balance between sound control, temperature regulation is crucial for creating an ideal building environment. Strategic design and technology integration can ensure comfortable and productive workspace. Strategies for soundproofing. Implementing soundproofing measures such as double gauged windows, acoustic installation, and sound barriers can significantly reduce noise transmittance. Building proper soundproofing contributes a peaceful and focused work environment. Implementing comprehensive solution. Integrative comprehensive sound control and temperature regulation solution from the initial design phase ensures long-term building performance. A holistic approach to building environment optimization leads to enhanced occupant satisfaction and productivity. Innovative materials for sound control. Innovative materials such as acoustic panels, sound absorbing fabrics, and specialized building components play a key role in enhancing sound control within these buildings. These materials offer versatile solutions for various architectural designs. Conclusion. In conclusion, achieving sound control and temperature regulation in buildings requires a multifaceted approach encompassing innovative designs, advanced materials, and sustainable technologies. Striving for optimized building environment is essential for occupant comfort and productivity. And yes, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.